Hi. Do you use Google Forms? I use them for a lot of things. I use them with my classes. I use them as a teacher trainer to collect information. They solve a lot of problems. But sometimes when you have a form that looks like this, the information is just too much to be able to deal with. So there's a way to use an add-on to make it much easier to read it in order to divide all of the information into separate documents. So using Google Sheets, which are the responses from the Google Forms, each line are all of the answers for each respondent. In order to divide them, you use add-ons. Click on add-ons and you go to Save as Doc. I already have it in my drive, but if I didn't, you would just go to Get Add-ons and you would write here Save as Doc. And as you can see here, I already have it, so I don't have to add it again, but this is what you do if you don't have it yet. So I have it in my add-ons. I go to Save as Doc. I go to Start. And it works. And I give it a name. I include the headings, and I want to be sure that it says add a page break after each row. And I go into Select All Data, and then I do Save as Doc, and this is what comes out of it. It made it into a doc. Then you open the doc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Control A and copy them all and change them to something that's a little bit more logical, and they'll all be size 12 font. And that way, okay, in this case, they're still not all on one page. I can make it even smaller by going to having it single space and making sure that there's not a space after each one. So here I can see I've got 28 pages altogether, and the first page starts with Dan. Here are all of Dan's answers, and then so each of their answers are on 2 pages. And it's a lot easier to relate to that way. That was Yossi's. Here's Sarah's, 2 pages. Hani. Once you have it in Docs, you can play around with it. So I hope that helps you deal with the responses page for a Google form. And let me know if it helps. If there's any other tutorials you would like me to do, write down in the comments below. Don't forget to click on the button all the way over there on that side and subscribe. Bye.